morning, children. Today I am here to teach you all The Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 1, lines 107 to 125. Now open to page number 26. Let us begin. Lorenzo. Well, we will leave you then till dinner time. I must be one of these same damn wise men. Now, same damn wise men, dumb over here means silent. Now, as in the previous video, you must have seen that in this scene right now, you have Bresciano, Lorenzo, Antonio and Bassanio. And Bresciano in the previous scene has already given his reasons of thinking why Antonio is sad. Now it's Lorenzo's speech now, and Lorenzo over here will complain that Bresciano doesn't allow him to speak much. For Bresciano never lets me speak. So now Lorenzo says here that Bresciano speaks so much that I become a silent man. I become a dumb man and I never get a chance to speak. Bresciano, well, keep me company but 2 years more. More means more over here. So he says that, yes, Lorenzo, if you are with me, if you are in my company for 2 more years, thou is you, shalt will be shall, not know the sound. Not know means recognize. Recognize the sound of thine own tongue. The sound of thine own tongue means voice. So now Bresciano says, yes, Lorenzo, if you stay with me for 2 more years, if you are there with me in my companionship for 2 more years, then you will forget your own voice. You will not be able to identify your own voice. Why? Because you will never get a chance to speak. In my companionship, I speak so much that I do not allow others to speak. So if you stay for 2 more years with me, then a time will come that you will not be able to recognize your own voice. You will not be able to know that you also have a voice of your own, because I'll never give you a chance to speak. Antonio, farewell, I will grow a talker for this gear. Gear over here means chatterbox. So he says that farewell to you, and very soon, Bresciano, I will become a chatterbox if you stay with me. If you stay with me, Bresciano, then I will surely start speaking a lot. You will teach me how to speak. Bresciano, thanks in faith. So thanks, thank you. In faith will be truly speaking. For silence is only commendable. Commendable means practiced. In a needs tongue dried. Needs tongue dried is dried ox tongue. So he says that, yes, Antonio, thank you so much for appreciating my speaking skills. And he says that, yes, if you stay with me, you will definitely learn to speak more. And silence is only suitable with an ox. It's not suitable, it doesn't suit human beings. Human beings need to speak, they need to express. So exit Bresciano and Lorenzo. So now Bresciano and Lorenzo together leave the stage. Now on the stage we have only 2 characters, Antonio and Bassanio. Antonio, is that anything now? Is that anything now? Does this has any meaning? What Bresciano has spoken just now, do you understand what you mean? Does it have any meaning? Bassanio, Bresciano speaks an infinite deal of nothing. Infinite deal of nothing? Nonsense. He doesn't speak anything which makes sense. He speaks everything which is useless. nonsense. More than any man in all Venice. In whole Venice, there is only one person who speaks nonsense, and that one person is Grishano. No one in whole Venice can speak as much nonsense as Grishano speaks. His reasons are as 2 grains of wheat hid into bushels of chaff. Now, bushels of chaff, children understand it, it means husk. Now, you all must have seen a field where grains are grown, or a rice field where it is grown. You will find that the rice grain is under a cover, is beneath a bushel, or it's beneath a chaff, brown color, and when it is beaten on the rock, that husk separates from the grain. So now over here, Antonio, over here in the speech, Bassanio is giving an example. He says that Grishano speaks everything useless. He speaks everything meaningless. Nothing is meaningful in his speech. Now he says, just as it is very difficult to find wheat from a husk. Now wheat is also brown in color, husk is also brown in color. So if the hard cover of the wheat and the wheat grain is together and you are asked to differentiate or take out the wheat grain from the husk, it will be difficult for you to take out. So he says, similarly, when Grishano speaks, he speaks so much useless things that it is just like, as it is difficult to take the wheat, to separate wheat from the husk, similarly it is very difficult to separate or get meaning from Grishano's useless talk. Understand this comparison once again. Just as the husk is brown in color, wheat is also brown in color. When the husk and wheat are two together and you are asked to separate the wheat from the husk, then it becomes difficult for you to just take out the wheat from the husk. Similarly, Grishano speaks so much useless things that it is difficult to take out meaningful things from the useless things that he has spoken. Now come to the speech. You shall seek all day Eri is before, you find them, and when you have them, they are not worth the search. So he says that you will take whole day to find meaning from the useless talk that Grishano has spoken. You will find you have utilized all the day, whole day in finding meaning from the useless talk of Grishano. And when you are able to extract some meaning from the useless talk of Grishano, you will find that the meaning that you have taken is not at all useful, is not at all worth the search, worth your time. It was useless. In short, whatever Grishano speaks is all useless. It has no meaning. He just speaks without any meaning. Antonio, well, tell me now, what lady is the same? What lady is the same? Who is this lady? To whom you swore, swore is promise, a secret pilgrimage. Pilgrimage over here means visit. That you today promised to tell me of. Now, Antonio says to Bassanio that Bassanio, tell me now, who is this lady whom you are going to visit? Tell me about this lady whom you are going to visit. Bassanio. Okay, so this scene is up to here, this line is up to here. Now we will take up the next line as the next video. Thank you for watching. How much is it?